Hey guys, we have an important video for you today. Now, we've done quite a few videos on carrying firearms on an RV. We'll link our latest one up above. One of the most common questions we get on those videos is, how do you store a firearm? What's the best way to store a firearm on an RV, on your towed vehicle, on your tow vehicle? So this video, we're going to show you one option. We're going to be installing a security device, a storage device in our towed vehicle, one of our towed vehicles, and we're going to show you from beginning to end the installation and ultimately what we can fit in this storage box. Now, if you've watched our videos, you know recently we did upgrade our towed vehicle. We have a 2007 Tahoe now. Now we still also tow our Mustang. We have storage solutions for that. The reason why we chose to put something in this Tahoe is because there's no storage solution in there, and this platform is very common. So the Tahoe, the Silverado, the Ram, Jeeps, Toyotas, F-150s, Super Duties, they're all going to fall into this category where this product we're going to use, they're going to make something for one of those platforms. So what we're going to install is a center console security box. We chose to use Tuffy, very popular. We had one in our Ram when we had a Ram, and I used it all the time. So not only if you carry firearms, but if you're carrying any kind of valuable items, cash, jewelry, whatever, you're going somewhere, you don't want to wear fancy jewelry, you can throw it in there. It's going to be really secured. It's going to give that extra layer, that extra time. If somebody breaks into your car, they're probably not going to want to bother dealing with that lockbox. So this looks like a very easy installation. It comes with the instructions, and we'll put the links to all this down below. Here are some of the different parts. Basically, this is the top part here. We opted to get the combo. You can also get this with a key, but I'd rather get the combo. And then this will go into the center console, and your console will be set up as your area. This just kind of locks everything in place. Tuffy does have a wide variety of products. So if you want under the seat drawers, if you want something for your trunk, if you want just a regular snap box, like something simple, you want the console, they have all different types of solutions out there. We'll put their link down below, but like I said, we just got the console lockbox for us. So what are we going to need for this installation? Screwdriver, drill, some drill bits. That's what I'm going to start with. We'll see how much more I need. This looks very simple. I just want to take you guys along with it because I haven't found anything else on YouTube specifically for this application. Before we get started, guys, just take a moment, make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. A lot of our subscribers have been unknowingly unsubscribed, and then you're going to miss videos like this. Also, I'm filming this myself today. MJ's out working. I wanted to get this done, and I think it's simple enough for me to take on this task. So let's read the instructions, guys. First thing it says to do, obviously unpackage it, and then we're going to remove the 4 screws, stock screws from the center console. The next thing you're going to do is take the top. You're going to put it into the console on an angle. If you try to put it flat, it's not going to fit. You have to put it in an angle with the leg in the folded position. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So remember, this is the top here. You can't get it in this way. Like if you put it flat, it's not going to work. If you hold it like this and then just kind of, see, I don't know if you can see it, but I have it on an angle. If you look, it's down on an angle, and then bring it in. You could see it's now sitting in here, so then I can get it into the proper position. So now that I have the top in here, I'm going to open it up. All right, and then you see that you have this folding leg in here. So we kind of want to bring, and I'm gonna have to do this off camera, but you're gonna bring this up, and then you're gonna unfold this leg until the leg is firmly attached, fully extended. The side of this is flush with the wall here. So I'll shine the light here. You can see the leg now is fully extended. So now that the leg is fully extended, we just kind of want to work this here. Make sure everything closes and opens. The next step is going to be, we're going to take the same leg. You can see over here, there's going to be one for this side over here, which we're going to attach with 2 bolts. This is the other leg that it comes with, and you can see there's a little bit of a lip on here. I don't know if you can see that. So let me just show you how this is going to go on here. You can see the lip. This will go on here. You're going to make sure the holes line up correctly. Once those holes are lined up, we're then going to put our bolts in. You see the 2 holes are lined up here. We'll run our bolts now. These are your 2 bolts with the nylon nut on them, and we're going to just feed those through those 2 holes. You're gonna mount this piece of the leg here, this piece to the leg, and then mount it down with these screws. You'll do it for each side. So once those brackets are attached, that's what it will look like. We're getting ready to wrap it up, a couple more steps. So we're gonna take those brackets we attached to the side legs, we're gonna now screw those brackets into where the stock screws were, into those same holes. We're gonna use the 4 screws with the 4 washers. That way we can secure that whole safe into the actual console box itself. We get everything secured, snug down. The last part is going to be the arm, the hinge really, that opens and closes the top. You're gonna secure that with this bolt and some nylon washers. You'll adjust it to whatever tension you want to keep that door open and closed. So we adjusted that hinge. Again, you'll just tighten this up over here. The more friction you want, but we have enough that you can see it won't slam and shut. I got it, chose to get it with the combo. The default is 000. If you look over here, there is a, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little pinhole on there. To change the combo, you would just put a paper clip or a tip of something in there, in that pinhole, push it in, set your combination, let it out, and that'll change your combination, which is what I'll be doing very shortly. So what can we fit in here? Well, I have my trusty blue gun. That'll fit in there with no problem. Plenty of space. What I do like is that I didn't lose the 12 volt here, so I still have that 12 volt, and I still have plenty of space to put other things. I want to put my wallet, glasses, you know, I could throw my glasses in here, wallet, wherever else. And of course, once you lock it up, you still have the full functionality of your center console. So this is a really, really nice thing, and something that I've been looking forward to for a while. What's really nice about this setup is that you don't lose any of the functionality of that center console. You're not really losing any space. You still have that 12 volt connection in there if you want to hook up a phone charge or wherever else you want, even like an air pump if you want to do that. And it has the combination lock, which is nice, and it's super hidden. So I really like it, guys. I like that hidden storage stealth. The less to look for, the better. They have, like I said earlier, these setups for all different types of application. Also, if you want to do a trunk mount or you just want to do a simple cable lock with a box, you can do that. We'll put the information to this, the link to this, as well as Tuffy's website. We'll put it down below. That way you can go choose what you want. It's always a good idea, guys, if you're carrying a firearm, you don't plan on having that firearm on you, you have to secure it. And this is one of the best ways, well known in the industry, trusted. You can get some cheap things somewhere else, but you want something good. You're spending good money on a firearm. It's a big responsibility, so just do the right thing and get the appropriate safe. We hope this video answered some of your questions, and as we get into some other mounting solutions, if they come up, we'll bring those type of videos to you, but we want your feedback. Was this a valuable video for you? What kind of solution do you have if you carry a firearm or any kind of valuables on your RV, or in general? We want to know. More importantly, our subscribers want to know, guys, if you like videos like this. To the left of us, we'll put our RV safety playlist. We'll put our RV DIYs playlist. Well, it's just me today, so thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the road.